Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Cash App Card without parents. All right, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, open up Cash App on your mobile device and then tap on this card icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, tap on Get Free Cash Card. Once you're on this page, choose your preferred card style, and if you want to redesign your card, simply tap on Personalize. Here, you can add your signature, emojis, and even enable or disable your cash tag. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap on Done and then click on Order Card. Next, enter in your shipping address and tap on Next, then click on Use Anyway. Now it'll ask you to enter in your legal name, then hit Next, then add your date of birth, and hit Next again. To use a Cash App card, your age should be 13 years or above. Once you hit Next, it'll take you to this page. Simply tap on Request Approval. Now it'll ask you to enter in your parents' details, but if your parents don't use Cash App or whatever the reason you can't get approval, what you can do is instead of using your parents' details, you can enter in the details of your elder sibling or cousin or anyone you trust who is above 18. For anyone to authorize the use of Cash App for you, they must have a registered and verified Cash App account and tap on Send in the top right corner. Once you're done with it, you'll be taken to this Waiting for Approval screen. The Cash App will require the parent or guardian to confirm the details and authorize your request. After which, the processing of the Cash Card will start, and you will have your card within 2 weeks. Once approved by your parent or guardian, you will be able to make direct cash deposits, send, receive, and request funds, add up to $7,500 to your cash balance. Every 30 days, spend $25,000 every 7 days. Make ATM withdrawals, take advantage of instant rewards, use Cash Card to make payments for purchases. So that's basically how you can get Cash App Card without parents. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.